Hi guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick little life update. So I am kind of in crazy mode right now because I just graduated college with my biochemistry degree and a minor in molecular biology this weekend, and then I immediately moved from Colorado back up to South Dakota, which is where I'm originally from. And so currently, kind of like the plan for the summer for me is that I'll be up here in South Dakota this summer, and I guess I'm only here for 2 weeks, and then I move to, well, I go to Minnesota for 2 weeks because I have to move my fiance into our new apartment, and then I'll come back to South Dakota and be here the rest of the summer at my parents' house, and then until the wedding, and then once we get married, I'll be moving to Minnesota, where I'll start my pursuing my degree in epidemiology at the School of Public Health there. So kind of crazy, and I'm going to be going all over the place, so bear with me, but I thought I would just kind of update you on that and show you that we're going to be using a lot of stuff from my mom's garden. And so I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of a couple projects that are coming up. And don't worry, I'm going to try to stay with a lot of succulent projects this summer as well, because I have a ton of succulents, obviously. But I thought some of you might be interested in seeing what we're doing for her flower and vegetable garden as well this year, since that's really what I'm going to be working on this summer for her. And we also have chickens and dogs and bees coming. And so, you know, all sorts of fun projects that I thought you guys might be interested in seeing. So I'll just show you a couple. So this is currently the madness that is our kitchen right now. As you can see, we're kind of planning out what we're going to grow this year. I'm actually going to go out today and plant up some onions, even though it's, you know, May. Better late than never. One thing that this summer is kind of going to prove for us is that, like, we started super late, but in reality we really couldn't start any earlier. So we have our potatoes, but we couldn't start any earlier because there was still snow on the ground 2 weeks ago. And then in here we have some fun things that we're going to try this summer. These are ranunculus. If you do not know what a ranunculus is, go look it up. I think these are a white kind, and we're going to try to grow some of those. We have tons of zinnias, so lots of fun projects in this bin. And of course I had to move all my succulents back with me because I moved out, so I have just succulents all around the house. Look at me. This is Jazz, my little poof ball. Smile, Jazzers. And this is Konjo. He's our new puppy. Come here. Hi. He's kind of crazy. He's being very nice right now, which is great. But Konjo, come here. Come here. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Sorry for all the shadows. It's actually a lot sunnier than I thought it was going to be today. But here's our little chicken coop. Let's see if we have anybody in here. Oh, yep. Two little ladies. I'll come back when they're done and get their eggs. We're gonna let them out today, but we have a rabbit that I have to make sure isn't going to can you hear him? Isn't going to escape if I open the door. Hi, ladies. Oh, yep, there's our rabbit. He's in his cage. Hi, Mo. Nobody, I want you to go back in your cage. Hi, Moses. His name is Mozinski. He's a lionhead rabbit. He's actually much friendlier now than he's ever been, but I'm gonna close you in here a little bit. Move. Move, back up. Mo. Come on. There we go. Let me just have a little latch here for him. There we go. So there's our ladies, and they're waiting to go outside. There you go, ladybirds. Come on. And then I'm just gonna prop their door open so they can come in and go as they feel. Oh, just their cinder block there. There you guys go. Yeah. And they're just gonna, you know, do their thing today. So he's still learning some treats, some tricks. So as you can see, he knows shake. 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 Hey. Shake. Konjo. Shake. Good. Good boy. Here you go. He's getting there. He's still our puppy.